Hi, it's Friday, September 7th, and it's Tracy here from the Winnipeg Real Estate News. It's here, the Manitoba Home Builders Fall Parade of Homes. Watch for our special section featuring many of Winnipeg's builders and subdivisions, as well as articles directly from Lanny McInnes, President and CEO of the Manitoba Home Builders Association. The fall real estate market is already heating up. This week in Winnipeg's only open house guide, there are 16 pages of homes to visit this weekend, both resale properties and new builds. We mentioned it a couple of weeks ago, and here are the details. Winnipeg Realtors is proud to partner with the Winnipeg Free Press and Event Pro to present to you the City of Winnipeg All Candidates Mayoral Forum. The forum will be held on October 4th at the Franco-Manitoban Cultural Centre. Make sure you register to save your seat. If you haven't seen it already, the August Condo Lifestyle magazine is out now on streets. As always, you can pick both the Winnipeg Real Estate News and the Condo Lifestyle magazine at over 480 kiosks in and around Winnipeg, or visit us online at winnipegrealestatenews.com.